Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time, you are very welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, watch till the end because you are going to love it. So everyone watching right now, thank you so much for tuning in. I know you guys have a lot of stuff to do, but you choose to watch me. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that. So today guys, I want to show you how to make this premium banana bread recipe. See, if you have any banana bread recipe, you can keep them, but you see this one is a must try. I need you all to try this because it came out so well, so fluffy, as in it's just everything. So please do well to try it and let me know what you think about it, okay? So as you can see, I'm trying to flour my pan. I've added some margarine on the pan, so I'm just dusting with some flour. This is so the bread can come out easily once baked. For the ingredients, first thing first, you need some very overripe bananas. I'm using 5 sticks. So let me introduce you to everything that we need for this recipe. You of course need your measuring spoon. I'm using banana flavor, the industrial type. This one is stronger than the usual one. If you don't have the industrial type, you can always use Foster Clark like I showed you. So the next is the eggs. I'm using 4 eggs, medium sizes, for this recipe, okay? So the next thing we are having is our baking soda, and up next our baking powder. Next we are using yogurt. Okay, remember the Greek yogurt we made? I'm using a 1/4 cup of that. And next I'm using milk. I'm supposed to use like evaporated liquid milk, but I don't have that. I just put some powdered milk in water, and yeah, I need 1/4 cup of that as well, so I just put a 1/4 cup of water. So we need nutmeg, we need cinnamon. Yeah, we are using both this time, and of course sugar. We are using sugar. You can use brown sugar, like make it 1/2 cup of white sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar, but I went ahead and I used 1 cup of white sugar because I don't have brown sugar. If you want your banana bread to be brown, you need to use brown sugar. You can see at the end of the day mine did come out brown because I didn't use brown sugar. So let's get going. So guys, it's time to grab yourself a paper and pen because I'll be calling out the ingredients and the measurements used. So for the bananas, as you can see, I use 5 medium sizes. If you have large sizes, just go for 4 pieces, okay? So I've already mashed that, and in there I'm adding my 1/4 cup of milk. Like I said, you can use liquid milk, but it has to be 1/4 cup. In there as well, I'm adding my Greek yogurt. You can use any yogurt, drinking yogurt, Greek yogurt, whatever yogurt that you have, okay? So I have Greek yogurt, that was why I used it. So you need a 1/4 cup of that as well, okay? So all you want to do basically is to mix your wet ingredients in here. So the next thing, I'm going to whisk my egg separately just so it can get really mixed before adding it into this mix. So now that my egg is ready, I'll add it to the mix. So now that I've added my egg, I'll proceed to add in my flavors. So for this flavor, because I'm using the banana industrial type, I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon. If you are using the Foster Clark usual one, you can use 1 teaspoon. Like I mentioned earlier, it's strong. This one is stronger than that one, so you want to use 1/2 teaspoon. But if you're using the other one, like I said, use 1. So I will be adding vanilla flavor to this as well. For the vanilla flavor, I'm using 1 teaspoon. okay? So now that we are done mixing our wet ingredients, it's time to mix our dry ingredients. In a bowl, I've just added 2 cups of flour. And the next thing I'm adding is my sugar. Like I mentioned, I'm not using brown sugar, else I'll be using half of each. But I'm using just 1 cup of white sugar because I don't want to use brown, okay? So after which you're going to add your baking powder. For baking powder, you'll be needing 1 teaspoon, as well as baking soda, cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so yeah, that is basically the whole of the dry ingredient thing. So let's get mixing. So at this point, you can decide not to sift, but I noticed some seeds, like some lumps in my flour. I don't know, it's from my sugar actually, so I had to sift. While I was mixing, I noticed it, so I had to sift. You can see it is my sugar molding up. I don't know what happened, so I had to sift it so everything can be smooth in there. So you can skip this part if your sugar, your flour, everything is smooth and well to do. Okay, so I'm just going to fold this. Okay, please let me be very clear. don't mix this. You don't need to over mix. All you need to do is just to fold. Just keep folding, don't over mix. What you will get when you over mix is a very stiff cake or bread. It's going to be really strong that you wonder what you did wrong after using all of the recipe as said, okay? But the only thing you do wrong is to over mix this thing. All you need to do is just to fold it with your spatula or your turning stick, whatever you are using. Just fold it in like gently. Don't mix, don't beat it. Just fold it in gently, and you are going to get a very soft, delicious, fluffy bread at the end of the day. So yeah, that's it. I'm going to put the measurements and the ingredient measurements, everything on the screen right now. Do well to screenshot, okay? So guys, at this point our bread is oven ready. As you can see, I didn't use any topping or filling in this. It's just plain premium banana bread, and this tastes amazing. But the reason I didn't use any topping or filling is because the bigger one is for a client and the smaller one is for me and my daughter, and I want her to eat it very well, because if I put topping or filling, she will just be picking and all that. So yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. You can see how beautiful this look. See the taste. The taste is what I want you people to try. Like, try this thing, you will love it. Try this bread, you will so love it. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever time you want to eat it, just give it a try. So you want to allow this to cool down completely. You want to get it out from your pan, just set it up, allow it to cool down completely, and then you package. Okay, I package with the same glass nylon I use in packaging my small chops before I refrigerate them. So this is what it looks like, guys. Please do well to like this video, share this video, comment, and do all of the nice stuff. And if you haven't subscribed by now, do well to subscribe. Thank you so much for the love so far in this Vlogtober. God bless you all. Have a blessed day. Till next time, bye.
My light is never gonna die.